In this, we are starting our next topic of business services, chapter 4, the service provided by the banking facilities. So the next topic is e-banking instrument. Instrument are the things which are used, which facilities are to be provided to the bank. There are several instruments which are used in the banking facilities like the debit card, credit card, NEFT, RTGS, ATM, e-cash or digital cash. These are the some instruments which are provided by e-banking facility or which are involved in the banking in these days. They are as follows. First is debit card. So debit card is a facility which are provided by a bank. It is a, first of all, the student know what is debit card. A debit card is a card which is provided a bank to their saving bank account holder, in which the amount is there. Then if the account holder or a card holder have a sufficient amount in their bank account, up to that limit they are withdrawn while this using this card, or to purchase the goods and services with the shop while using this debit card. That's why it is known as a debit card, means use up to the amount which is deposited in the bank, not more than that. So debit card, it is a facility offered to account holder to make payment up to the amount of credit balance in their account. It means the amount up to that amount is in the saving bank account. Generally, the points of sales terminals are allocated, which an electronic tied with the bank companies. When the customer present the debit card to point of sale terminal, automatically transfer money from customer bank account to the store's account. The account holder can pay their bills by attaining the personal computer with the bank computer. These are the facilities which are provided by the debit card while the bank customers. The next is the next facility provided by the bank. That instrument is known as credit card. Credit card is a card in which there is no compulsion of amount deposited in their saving bank account or current account. Credit card is a card in which the excess amount can be withdrawn from the bank, or a credit card holder do not have the sufficient balance in their account, but he withdraw the more than the amount or up to the limit of the amount he is withdrawn or purchasing the amount from the anywhere. So it is a cash limit card which is provided by the bank to the customers. Credit card is like a bank account without having balance in it. It enables the card holder to have overdraft facility up to the fixed limit depending upon the credit worthiness of the party. Credit is a substitution of the cash. It is a plastic card with the signature identifier of the owner. It is also includes the name of the issuing bank and validity period of the card and the maximum limit of the amount. The next is National Electric Fund Transfer, that is known as NEFT, National Electric Fund Transfer. It is under this, the fund is directly transferred from one account to another. Direct transfer helps both the parties from inconvenience of drawing check, deposit check, and etc. These key facilities, the key difference between NEFT and RTGS is that RTGS is a gross settlement base, whereas NEFT is non-settlement based. The next is real-time gross transfer, that is known as RTGS. real-time gross settlement. RTGS are funds transfer system where transfer of money or securities take place from one bank to another or a real time and a gross basis. Settlement in real time means payment transaction is not subject to any waiting period. The transactions are settled as sooner as they are proceed. It means that is real-time gross settlement while we are sending the money transfer from one particular place to the another without taking any time-consuming process. Settlement in real time. Gross settlement means the settlement is settled on one-to-one basis without bunching netting them with any other transaction. One proceed, payment may final or irrecoverable. The next is automatic teller machine. It is a ATM. These ATMs are to be provided by the bank in the number of different places. With the different banks provide a different amount withdrawn machines, they are known as the ATM. So the person who makes payment and accept deposited in bank is known as teller. The ATM refers to the machine, and the automatic teller machine can do a teller job 24 hours a day at less than half the cost of the human tellers. To use an ATM, insert a plastic card in the machine and enter your identification code or the password. In the code machine, the machine responds by giving cash, taking deposit, and etc. And the next is eCash / digital cash. eCash and digital cash, it is a new concept of online payment. eCash is used over internet, email or personal computers or on mobile. The work digital cash works in similar to the electronic fund transfer done between banks. The user must be eCash software program, bank account from where eCash can be withdrawn or deposit. In these days, mainly the eCash wallets are there. That is, mainly we are using the Paytm and other facility in which we have transfer from one wallet to the another wallet. They are not transfer the money with the banking facility, while the one wallet have some certain amount and that can be transferred to the other facility. So this is a new way of digital cash, which is transfer from one place to another place, or while using the goods and services or online purchasing, they are used.